I've searched the internet for the new keyboard and I found these. Let's leave the small one for the next video. On the box we do have an info about compatibility to Windows, Mac, iPod, Linux, Chrome OS. And I guess that's a cable. USB type A to C cable. Wow, such a heavy device. That's good. Wow. Also, it feels very nice in hand. And the buttons are those, well, you can call them cutouts. Illumination is real, and you can see it is very powerful. It looks good. Of course, you can adjust it, dim a little bit, or switch it off completely. And with another device like Mac, you can see it is not connected. I'll press the one button and it's already connected, so I can easily doing Wi-Fi. Oh, yeah, that's not Wi-Fi, that's Bluetooth, but very responsive. Oh yeah, you don't need a dongle, just Bluetooth. Cool. And with the software, we do have a battery life. From yesterday, I've used 5% and was very intense, so that's okay. With the light on, if you click on it, we do have the keys, which we can change, well, customize for lock, all kinds of actions, shortcuts, well, AI, chat GPT, AI prompter, smart action, and many more. So customization is vast. Backlight, we can control it, we can do automated backlight and stuff, and easy switch to more devices, and of course settings. Design and usability. It looks gorgeous. It feels super like silk because of that cold metal and the design of the buttons. Awesome, that's 10 points. But this is a wireless keyboard, so it's supposed to be mobile. I didn't have the chance to lift the keyboard at the store because it was glued into the shelf. It is heavy, really heavy. Well, it is metal after all, and the batteries. But the slick design, it is cool looking, but usability-wise, and I'm not talking about how slim it is, because that won't matter at all. I'm talking about the distance between the edge of the keyboard and the first line of the buttons. What does that mean? Some people, including me, wants to type on their legs. And that's not comfortable with such a slim design. Not at all. See, the edge is too close. My fingers, or maybe like that, maybe. But some people go even further, including me. To feel more comfortable, they just, oh yeah, and type it like that, on their tummy. And that's a no-go with such a design, because my tummy is basically on the first line of the buttons. And there's really no space to type. With the old design, which we will have plenty of room between the edge and the first line. That's, first of all, extremely light, very mobile, and super easy to type. That's like so comfy to type like that and use a mouse. That's super comfort. So for comfort, I could give it like 3 points instead of 10, with the old one, which is basically 10. The only model which I found has a little bit more room is that Pop latest keyboard from Logitech. There's one more thing. You see, with the old keyboard, space ends at the M letter. That's the end. And with the new one, it ends a bit further. One more button. And that is a little bit misleading when you're typing in. You have to learn type again on it's pain in the ass. By the way, pain in the ass. Check this out. That is super cool. Link in the description. If you're sitting hours editing on the chair, that is something which you need. Like $20 or $30. That is super comfort for you. Definitely. Link in the description. Mixed feelings. Most likely I will return this one and buy something else. I'll just stick with the old one. See you next video. Bye.